Hi guys! Today we compare OnePlus 15 versus Google Pixel 10 Pro XL.
The OnePlus 15 come with triple camera setup. First, 50 megapixel wide, second, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 8K 30 FPS video recording. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with triple camera setup. First, 50 megapixel wide, second, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto and 8K 30 FPS video recording too.
The selfie camera, OnePlus 15, come with 32 megapixel camera, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 42 megapixel and 4K 60 FPS video recording.
OnePlus 15 with 4.6 GHz Orion V3 Phoenix and Pixel 10 Pro XL with 3.78 GHz Cortex X4. OnePlus 15 with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3 nanometers, and Pixel 10 Pro XL with Google Tensor G5, 3 nanometers. Pixel 10 Pro XL come with Power VR DXT. OnePlus 15 come with Adreno 840. Both mobile come with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte, and not SD card support. OnePlus 15 come with 7,300 mAh battery and 120-watt wire and 50-watt wireless charging support. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 5,200 mAh battery and 45-watt wire and 25-watt wireless charging support. Both mobile come with LTPO OLED display with 6.8-inch screen and 2K screen resolution and 450 and 486 ppi density. OnePlus 15 come with 165 Hz, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 120 Hz refresh rate and 88% and 90.8% screen-to-body ratio, and it's come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. OnePlus 15 and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust tight, and water resistant. OnePlus 15 got 19 points, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL got 15 points.